While it's often easiest to buy your network cable ready to go, sometimes you need to make your own for a custom length or installation. It's also called a Cat5 cable, a Cat6 cable, an Ethernet cable, or just the thing that connects your computer to the internet or a network. Any way you say it, even a beginner can make their own. Here's how. 1. Purchase a high-quality crimping tool that fits RJ45 connectors. Also, purchase more RJ45 connectors than you actually need, as inevitably some will have to be redone. 2. Choose between a Cat5, Cat5e, or Cat6 cable. For almost any purpose other than the fastest and newest networks, a Cat5 will be fine. 3. Strip 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of the outer shielding on the cable end. 4. Untwist the twisted pair wires just enough to line them up properly and no more. Once untwisted, do not retwist the wires yourself. 5. Arrange the wires from left to right in this order: white with orange stripe, solid orange, white with green stripe, solid blue, white with blue stripe, solid green, white with brown stripe, solid brown. 6. Clip the ends of the wires such that they are all the same length. 7. Slide the wires into the RJ45 connector with the prong facing downward. Ensure the wires have lined up in the order you intended and that they push all the way into the end of the plug. 8. Insert the plug into the crimping tool and squeeze hard to crimp the plug.